You pull the trigger, expecting that satisfying whoosh, but get absolute silence. Or worse, it makes a struggling noise like it's choking on a dust bunny and then cuts out completely. It's frustrating, right? You just wanted to clean the floor, not solve a mystery. If you own a Dyson Digital Slim, this scenario might feel all too familiar. We see this no response and suction issue constantly at the shop. It feels like the vacuum has just given up the ghost. Ignoring this doesn't just leave your floors dirty, it turns your high-tech appliance into a very expensive wall ornament. Plus, trying to force it to run can damage the electronics further. But don't panic, you don't need to buy a whole new machine. Robocare specializes in bringing these motors back from the dead. We don't just guess, we specialize in high-end vacuum repair. Our technicians have dissected hundreds of these units, giving us an intimate understanding of the intricate engineering inside the Digital Slim. We know that when the diagnostic points to a faulty motor, precise handling is required. Once identified, we perform a full surgical teardown. We remove the compromised unit and replace it with genuine components to permanently resolve that frustrating suction issue. Now, let's get to the results. And look at the difference. Instant response, zero strange noises, and massive suction power restored. This Dyson Digital Slim is running like it just came out of the box. Hear what our customers have to say about their Robocare experience.
My experience with Robocare was seamless, from the courier pickup to the transparency about the faulty motor diagnosis to the speed of the repair. They saved my vacuum. If you're dealing with that no response trigger issue or suction problems, give them a call.
Don't let a broken motor ruin your cleaning routine. Visit our website or call us today to book your repair. We fix it fast so you don't have to.